Hello and hi everyone. My name is Soumya Pradeep and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare tomato rice, and in my last video I had also prepared vegetable pulao. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys haven't watched it, make sure you watch the video only after watching this video, okay? And if you guys are very new to my channel, make sure you subscribe it and do not forget to like and comment on my videos. And let's not waste our time. Let's get started. So first of all, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it's heated, add cumin seeds, and asafoetida. Mix it. Later add cloves and 1 star anise, cardamom and black cardamom, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, and mix all the ingredients. And also I'm adding 1 dry chili. Later, I'm adding curry leaves and 1 chopped onion, mix it. Now ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder. Lastly, salt according to your taste. Mix all the ingredients properly. Now I'm going to add soaked rice. Drain all the water and add only rice. Mix it. Since it's a tomato rice, the main ingredient is tomato. So I have taken 2 tomatoes chopped into pieces and made a tomato puree, and with the same glass I am going to add 2 glasses of puree. Now mix it. Don't add any water. Now close the lid. After 1 whistle off the gas, and once it's cooled down, open the lid. You can see our tomato rice is already ready to taste. As you all know by now, the tomato rice is very easy to prepare and it also tastes good. So make sure you prepare at home and let me know your likes and comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.